So today's the first day of Matsuri, off to Ebisu now. We honestly don't know what to expect. Like, a lot of people have told us that it's super busy and there's just like unlimited cars on the track and that it's carnage. Like yesterday, TJ was saying that it goes off and there's just a crazy amount of people at this track. But it's like hard to believe because yesterday was the day before Matsuri and there was like no one there. Apparently a lot of locals come in today and also a lot of foreigners. We were just literally at a family mart where like 100 million Polish people jumped out of like 4 vans. Like Night Ride jumped out beside us and whatnot, and like it's friggin' crazy. So there's literally like the Polish army here, so that's gonna be a little bit more busier today, that's for sure. So yeah, today's video should be a really sick one. Lots of filming, lots of drifting, and lots of good times. So we're off the track now to pay our admission fee to get back in the track. We'll see you soon. You ever seen something more pimp in your life?
I saw this MX-5 one time.
Rocking up the track with your truck and your McLaren. Oh my god.
Pretty good, bro. How you been?
Yeah, fun. Welcome to the nighttime portion that is Ebisu Matsuri. This is Saturday night. It's all just starting to kick off. This event runs until midnight tonight. So there's still like, what's the time? It's 6:43. So we still got hours of this. North course only runs, I think North and School run, but North is the only course that runs till midnight. So there's a lot going on. Everyone's driving hard. I'm going to show you guys some of the carnage. If you didn't know, that is a Formula D car, like 1100 horsepower. Holy
Did I mention I've got one of those at home?
yeah, I got 3 of them. Yeah. Look at that Formula D car. Alrighty, the camera battery is about to die, so I hope you enjoyed day 3, and I'll see you guys in day 4. Peace. There's a fucking McLaren out here, man. Look at it. What? What is up and good morning. We have just awoken in Japan for, I think this might be like our 5th day in Japan. Okay. Hear me out. So we have apparently hit like this little golden time frame in Japan where all the cherry blossoms or the sakura are blooming, and it has got to be one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen in my life. We've, if you've been to Ebisu Matsuri before, the mountain inn, the hotel that everyone stays at is up there, and this is literally just the opposing street of this little mountain town. This is, okay, I'm gonna take some footage. Seriously, just sit back, relax, and enjoy what I'm about to show you, because this is unreal. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little slice of paradise that we got to witness, which was the sakura blooming, which was just so sick. But onto the video. So we've actually been invited personally by Arios Suzuki. That's how you say it, yeah? Yep. Arios Suzuki has actually personally invited us to his workshop. Now, is he just a car builder, or does he sell cars, or?
He's very well known for the crazy Japanese guy that drifts a McLaren 720S.
Yeah, so you guys would have seen him throughout all the other days worth of footage. He's the guy drifting the batshit crazy McLaren with that like zebra print all over it. So he's invited us to the workshop, so we're gonna go check it out. He's gonna show us around a few cars. Now, I've been told there are a few like brand new R34 GTRs there, like there's a drift Ferrari, McLaren, like you name it, there's a bunch going on there, so we're gonna go check that out. It's gonna be so insane to see. And then apparently he's got like a bunch of merch there, so maybe we even check that out, but should be good. Here we are. Oh, look at that S14, sick. Oh, this is sick. Damn.
Ask me the numbers.
What's the numbers? Okay. Okay.
It's 340 horsepower in here, and RB26.
Damn. Yeah.
660 kilometers.
How many?
6,000?
66,000.
Yeah. And the work wheel.
I love the body kit. Looks sick. Hot as.
Dude, look at the fucking.
Look at that freaking dude. Like the wide body extends fully onto the door.
Yeah.
That is so freaking cool.
Factory wheel.
Supercharge. Yeah.
Original HKS factory wheel.
Yeah. Sick. The HKS produced this.
Yes.
And they built it.
One of one.
One of one. Well, there was gonna be like an RB in it or something, like a JZ or some shit.
I think that's pretty cool.
Oh, it's sick.
One of one.
So factory HKS. So HKS produced this supercharger kit, and then they would have bought this Toyota from factory, from Toyota themselves, and then they would have modified this from factory. So this would have like this supercharger on it from 0 Ks, and then they would have sold it like this. How cool. How freaking cool is that? Check this place out. Wow. Liberty Walk Ferrari. Damn. Oh my god. Yeah. Dude. What? What do you mean? What? I don't know what to put the camera in here. There's just too much to look at. Wow. I wonder what the cars under the covers are. Wonder why they've got covers on them. This isn't as important enough to put a cover over it.
I know what's under that one.
You know what's under that one? Okay, so behind me right now is a genuine R34 GTR. Is it a V-spec or is it just? It is. This is literally like, besides a RZ Supra, this is it. This is so sick. And how much this one's going for?
Oh.
Okay, so is this your car?
Yes.
That was your car. So we've just learned that all you guys that know like the KBD kits and all that crap, he is actually the original creator of this kit. And then
It's me.
So many people copied.
Yes.
Copied, yeah, but you created.
It's original.
Wow. Wow.
20 years ago.
That's so cool. Holy crap. There you go. Now I feel bad for running a copy. I want an original. Can you make me? I will order. Yes.
Please. Original, yes.
Yes, original. Yes. Well, I didn't even know that like I didn't know who the original was. It's not really common knowledge.
Yes. No.
Yeah. I'll tell everyone. All my followers.
Where can you buy original? Where can you buy original?
We can sell.
Yeah. You still make?
Yeah.
Miata. Oh, really? Wow.
Like online or?
Online. Yes. Online or searching.
Yeah.
Yeah. I will send you this.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, so we just got finished up at Arios's workshop. That place was an absolute dreamboat of like heaven on earth. So many rad cars you would have seen. At the end there, we actually exchanged t-shirts. So we gave Arios one of the Built by Carl shirts with Ruby on it, which he thought was really epic. A super awesome guy. If you're ever in Japan, check him out. Just Arios on Google Maps. It's a very cool place to come. On to the next thing. So the rest of the day, we're gonna so we have to drive back to Tokyo now, which is actually quite a while away. We're just gonna stop on a few like up garages on the way, see if we can find anything cool. I haven't really bought anything on this trip yet, and I do have some luggage space, so we'll see what we can find. Should be good. It is hot today, man.
Yeah, we rocked up and we had like 2 jumpers on.
Oh,
and
dude.
Now it's like, we need to take a shirt off. I'm running around naked. So.
I am hot. Oh. Okay, so we've just stopped off at our first gas station in Japan. Oh. We haven't had to fill this car up yet because it's a hybrid. So we've done bulk Ks and we still have not even filled it up, but we're getting pretty low now. So I'm gonna fill it up in the bag. So just pick it up and hopefully. Welcome. Click here if you don't use mobile drive pad. Oh my god. I am very confused. Great success. We put the fuel in the car. Took us like 10 minutes.
We fueled up the batteries and we're good to go.
We put fuel on batteries. Yes. It's very nice. Hey, bozo.
Hey, bozo.
Okay, oh, that's a cool store. What the heck? Okay, so checked into our hotel. I'll show you guys that a bit later, but right now we're checking out, there's this place, apparently very famous, does some really good food. We're gonna check it out. We just got a park that, it's busy. I don't even know where we are, but it's busy. So,
Wayno, or
we're in Wayno.
Wayno.
We're in Wayno. Let's see if we can get a table at this place. I'm assuming it'll be pretty popular, so not sure how that's gonna go, but you know, hope for the best. And if we can get a table and eat some, probably like the first actual meal that I've had on this trip, that would be really good.
Yeah, we've pretty much eaten out of 7-Eleven for the past, what, 4 or 5 days?
I think I've spent like $200 at Family Mart. Yeah. Okay, it's here. We're actually here. Look. Boom. I can actually eat.
Dude, what are you gonna order?
Oh my gosh.
Everything?
One deep fried chicken, that's for sure. Or is ramen really that good? First one, so see if it's any good. Yep, that's delicious. Here we go. This is the first dish. Ramen. Fried chicken, ginger.
Pretty good.
It's good? Better than 7-Eleven? Oh my god. All done, dude. That was so good. I am like boiling though. That's the most food I've eaten in 5 days. So my body is like, that ain't no hash brown and banana, brother.
Hash brown, banana, and jumbo sausage.
Jumbo sausage. The best place on earth. Okay, we are 500 meters from the famous Shibuya crossing. We thought we'd go check it out. We're in the car, we're not walking, because it is quite far from our hotel. So we're just gonna experience it in the car, which I'm okay with. What do you reckon this bus is advertising? I don't know, kissing peaches or some shit? Go.
Oh, yep.
Go.
Yep.
Go!
Yep.
Okay, so it's about 12 p.m. Very tired. Oh, this has been a massive trip. Feels like we've done like a couple weeks worth of stuff in 5 days. I'm exhausted. Carlin's exhausted. Fly home tomorrow night. Tomorrow we're gonna hit a few like up garages and Liberty Walk. A few just cool stores. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlogs so far. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.